Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at a car meet, as y'all can see. Started off the day here, but today we're actually gonna be hitting that dude's house up. We're gonna whip up the foodos. We're gonna eat good tonight, and then we're just gonna be kicking it there most of the day. But yeah, we're gonna start it off with a car meet. Hey, let's fucking
true.
Quick. Yeah, let's fucking.
What the fuck? Fuck out!
It's done so. It's on site with them. Alright, I'm gonna show y'all around, you feel me? This looks kinda fire. Hey, what if we painted my car like this? I think the car would look pretty lit, bro.
Awkward and
Hey, he hosted a meet. Hey, shout out to Nathan, bro.
yeah, appreciate it, bro.
I think it look pretty fire, bro.
Yeah, what you do, bro?
Man.
Come on, don't blame him.
Don't blame him, that's all you guys.
Oh shit, we got that little quart.
Philly Dior. We got the VIP antenna. Yeah, see, that's what I was talking about. The fucking bar.
Oh
yeah.
shit. We got you trying to drink real quick?
Oh, you trying to drink?
Trying to eat sushi back here, bro? Oh man, look at the dog.
Ham, no.
They want the butt plug. She wants the butt plug.
Ham, you can't. Ham. Be nice.
I'm gonna eat it. Oh,
Ham.
Why would you put it so close?
Ham.
Hey, follow me on Instagram. Taylor Pimprath. Taylor P-H-I-M-P-H-A-R-A-T-H.
You wanna walk or you not?
Link down in the description.
look what the cat dragged in. What's up, dude?
Is this the teacup meet?
Yeah.
You just drop the cars off at your place and then go to Minneapolis. So we can go to Aldi's and get the shit.
All these
and then
nuts in your mouth. Come on, bro. You never leave me hanging.
you just got me, bro. Why am I gonna shake over you?
Cause you never leave a motherfucker
bro.
hanging.
That shit.
Ah,
Very
there you go. You wanna cook tilapia? What you cooking, bro?
I'll figure it out.
You figure out what you cooking, bro?
I'll figure it out.
Kinda wanna do a salmon. Salmon kinda sounds bomb. Let's go. Right now we're heading out to go grocery shopping, and then we're gonna actually hit up a line dance performance. So it'll be a little sprinkle to this video. I'm gonna take you guys along. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I mean, it's only the beginning of the video. If you made it this far, drop a comment down. What cars do you guys drive? I wanna see that. Bruh, I hate driving behind this dude, bruh. It's just mad loud.
Yeah, new fribbles.
Oh, this is what we copped.
Got a trunk full of groceries.
Oh, what you get? What you get?
Hey, what you get? You order online?
Yeah! What the? He said, fuck it. Why is it closed? Let me know why. We've been expecting you. Oh, and we made it.
You want to check your mic?
Fire and we need a fire that burn it. The war right in front of us feel like they hunting us. We ain't gonna take it no more.
The world is on fire, fire.
Fire, fire, let heaven rain. Word is on fire, but we still give praise to the Lord. Face it. Make some noise, y'all. Put your fists in the air in solidarity.
You should have went up there. Wrap it up.
Same shit.
This is cheese.
Hey, that shit was busting, bro.
That shit was busting, bro.
Alright, so if I didn't explain it earlier, we basically got free food for performing uptown at Amazing Thailand. The day was unexpected. We were expecting to just be at that dude's house cooking it up, but we actually got free food. And that shit was crazy. Thank you. And yeah, thank you. I'm kind of tipsy. Yo, we finna meet them up there. Yo, we running up the stairs. I'm tired, bro. Oh shit, we out here. Hey bro, nice mattress, bro.
Come on, bro. How to do
Oh man, they're just sleeping on cardboard right now. Oh man. Alright, so we're gonna be chefing it out right now.
Every time they come in my house, always the swords first. Every time, every dude.
Name your dish.
I looked up this recipe on Google. I am making chicken Alfredo.
Hey, this is what we got at Amazing Thailand. Oh, look at this. Woo.
Ah, my
Mango
guy.
coconut sticky rice.
Korean sticky rice.
Oh, that shit was busted. Then we got this guy cooking it up. Chef it up. Got that up in here. Hey, this is what Johnson cooked. This is what I made.
I thought we was eating salmon, not sashimi.
True. Nah, it cooked, bro. I promise you. I promise you.
Dinner time, guys. Eat.
Let me know.
Well, chicken's good though, for sure. This is you made sauce from scratch, bro.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't yet, give it a like. Like I said before, every Thursday, we're trying to shoot for Thursdays. That day I just forgot to end off this video, but I'm here now. Thank you guys for staying this long throughout the video. If you guys made it to the end, I appreciate you. I'll catch you guys soon, next Thursday.